Beauty Squad, it's your girl TeeTee, natural hair TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed Martini Monday yesterday because I talked about 7 things that women expect from men in relationships. So I'll link it in case you missed it, and it was definitely a good one. Today I am bringing you another review because I love reviews, and I, like so many of you, before I purchase just about anything, I read the reviews, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I saw reviews on this palette. This is, I think, my 4th palette this year. I got Amrezy, the little Charlotte Tilbury one, Supreme Nudes, and now this one. So 4 this year. So I guess that's 1 a month. We're only in April. Anyway, and I don't remember all of their reviews, to be honest with you. And so I say that because I'm going in with such an open mind. I got a hold of the Divine Rose palette from Pat McGrath. And there's a sale going on at Sephora right now, and I grabbed it, and it is now sold out. Unbelievable. This has been the elusive palette. I tried a couple times to grab it when it came out, and then it came back, I think, a month and a half later, and I missed it then too. And during the sale, I guess the timing was right. They brought it back for the sale. So we're going to try this today. We're going to review this today and do some comparisons to some of the other Pat McGrath palettes that I have. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, on Mondays, it's Martini Monday, where we discuss everything about life, love, and relationships. And then I upload on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So hit the little bell so you know when my videos have been uploaded. And let's get into this Divine Rose review. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to just jump into this because I'm really excited about this. Here's the palette. It's your typical heavy palette. These palettes are not made for travel by any means. The palette retails for $125, and of course with the 20% off, because I am VIB, I am Rouge actually, and so I got $25 off, which helps, right? I mean, it helps. Any little bit helps. But this is, here, let me just kind of cover this up a little bit. But this is the inside of the palette, and she is pretty. She is pretty. It's a really soft palette, I'm going to say, especially in comparison to some of the other palettes that she has. Let's kind of read up on this. And it's pretty. It's soft, if I dare say it's soft, but again, probably definitely in comparison to her other palettes. And so this one, again, which is sold out on Sephora, and it doesn't really say anything special about it on Sephora side. An iconic palette with 10 coat classic shadows that embellish the eyes with single swipe saturation. And her palettes are actually really good. So you definitely get great quality out of Pat and her palettes. So let's swatch them along with the names we have here. Okay, this is Skin Nude, which is a shimmer color. Very much a shimmer. We have a matte grayish pinkish color, Valoria. We have Sable Bronze. Love that. We have Refined Gold 002. Yeah, that's pretty. Ooh, I always got the standard white in here. Iridescent pink. That, wow, it's white in the palette. Extreme Mahogany, a brown. Very pretty brown, I might add. Lovelace. Oh, that's pretty. Lovelace. Rose Dusk. Another pretty one. VR Rose Venus. Okay. That one. Ooh, that's pretty too. And then Astral Solstice. this last color. Let's put it up here. That one. So those are the swatches. Not bad. It's pretty. So as you Alright, so as you see, majority of my face is done except for the eyes, because the eyes and this palette are the star of the show today. So let's just jump right into this. I really want to try. I'm looking on the back like she put the names on the back. We're going to go on with a couple colors in the crease, but let's start with Loreal, that kind of pinkish, this color right here. That right there. She's got the typical mirror here, and of course, you know, I'm not going to take the plastic off because that is what I do. You know, with her palettes, you know, I'll say, you know, sometimes, you know, when you pick them up in the pan, you will get some fallout in the pan. And that really doesn't so much as bother me that much. I won't lose sleep over that at all. Okay. Goes on actually very well. Let's just keep it going here. Really soft color here. Let's go with the other eye over here. And I primed my eyes with just concealer today to make life that much easier. And don't forget to tap off the X's. Very, very important. Okay. Kind of an ashy kind of color. Let's bring y'all in a little closer. Kind of an ashy kind of color. Let's go on with the brown. So I'm just going to clean this same brush here because, you know, I'm not going to be real adventurous and go for another brush. But let's go with the brown here, which is Extreme Mahogany. This brown right here. And I'm just going to take that right over that last color. Okay. Okay. Just layer the colors here. Okay. Seems a little patchy going on, but, and I've noticed that in a couple of her palettes, how patchy sometimes the colors go on or layer on top of each other. And this brown looks like a brown in her other palettes as well too. So we're just kind of keep building that brown up. And you've definitely got to blend it out for sure. Okay, let's go the other eye. Okay. The brown doesn't almost look super brown. It's definitely brown though. I mean, you look at it and it's brown for sure. But I guess mixed with the other color, duh. Okay. Let's cut the crease. And let's just, because there's a couple colors in here. I mean, I don't, that seems, this pink color here is kind of calling my name. And I may not even need to, that is creamy. It's definitely this pink one here. Rose Dusk, really pretty texture to it, I'm going to say. Really pretty texture. So let's just cut the crease here, because I really want it to be nice and sharp. And it never fails that one eye always comes out better than the other, and I take my time and do it, and it just never fails. One always comes out better than the other. I want to try this pink color here, this Dusty Rose, I think, isn't it? Rose Dusk. I'm going to try it with my finger. and see how it's going to fly. I'm gonna, all right, let's see. It's really soft, like really soft pink. What'd I say, dusty rose? Rose dusk, the other way around. All right, let's just see. Ooh, oh, okay. I think I'm gonna layer this color for sure. This color is like butter. It is so soft. Oh my goodness, it is so soft. I can't. One eye always comes out better than the other. I'm gonna just take my flat brush here. Okay. It definitely needs something else, and I think I'm going to add that really pretty iridescent color. This one, that's like really gold. That one, you know where I could add it? Let's see how it's just going to pick up here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. One side always comes out better than the other. Let's just take one of this first color here on the palette. Skin Show Nude here under the brow. It never fails. It never fails. One eye always comes out better than the other. And I'm just going to take that right there. Actually, you know what? Let's live dangerously. Take it all the way across. I still feel like the eye needs something else, but let me finish it up with some lashes while I still think on this. We'll do some comparisons to my other Pat McGrath palettes, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's wrap this up. We're going to look at my other Pat McGrath palettes, but what I did, I wasn't vibing on the eye look, so I took this color here, Love Lace, and placed that on top of Rose Dusk. And I took this gold color here, VR Rose Venus, and added it on the lid, on the corners here. And then this gold color here, Refined Gold 002, is what I put in the corner. Now, my other Pat McGrath palettes, I don't have as many. I mean, I have enough, don't get me wrong, but I have my favorite one, which is Bronze Ambition. It's a neutral palette. I love this one, and I use this one rather frequently. This is Dark Star. It's a dark purple palette. Don't use it that much. The color quality on that one didn't have the best payoff to me. It creased a lot. For the bigger palettes, this is Mothership 3 Subversive. Subversive. This is the first one I ever bought from Pat McGrath, and it's okay. I used it recently, and the colors were really kind of hard to blend out. And then there's this one. This is the Mothership. I don't know which one this is. I have no idea. But that's this one. And I used this recently, and this purple here was hard to blend out. And when I say the brown that she has in this new one, Divine Rose, and it's here as well too. Let's see, we have it there in the Divine Rose, and you see it's right here in this one. this purple one was really chalky to build out. And this one, yeah, I can't. Yeah. Now, my thoughts on Divine Rose. Do you have to have it or do you need it in your life? I'm going to say it because somebody has to say it. I'm going to say no, you don't need it in your life. I need to get a few more uses out of it, but if you liked a really soft palette full of pinks and golds and shimmer golds, then this is it. I'm going to give it another try for sure. I'm going to give it several more tries. But right now, I'm kind of like, I don't think you need it. And I say that only having to use it just this one time. You see, my wings are getting better. I'm working on my wings. Working on my wings. They're actually pretty even today, too, surprisingly. So I did that. I added some lipstick. I added Underdog. I believe this is Underdog from Fenty. Kind of created an ombre lift in this lip. And then this is from L'Oreal. I wanted something pink since it's kind of a pink thing going on. Just on the bottom of my lip and kind of, you know, mashed them together. But yeah, I'm gonna say I don't think you need Divine Rose in your life. And I'm gonna have to use it again. Right now, that's how I feel. It's pretty. Do I dare say I'm glad I got it on sale? It's pretty. And I used a few things from Pat McGrath today. I used her concealer that I really like and her under eye powder, which is the bomb. Both of these, and you use them together, they mesh very, very well together. And I've said it a few times. If you use complexion products that are the same brand, they're normally or likely formulated the same and they work very, very well together. So that's my thought on Divine Rose, other than the typical pretty packaging that Pat offers. I mean, it's pretty. I don't think you need it in your life, at least not right now. I would get Amrezy if you don't have her palette that came out, I think, in January. If you don't have Amrezy, I would get that for what, 49 bucks? And you could probably catch it on sale right now at Sephora for 20% off or whatever your level of status is. It's just okay. Let me know what you think. You gonna pick it up? I'm going to use it because I bought it and I'm going to use it. We'll see what happens. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment below. Let me know what you think of Divine Rose or Pat McGrath's palettes, period. I've got, what, 5 that I've bought gradually over time and over years. And like I said, I picked a couple of them. I picked up 1 or 2 of them recently to use. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. And until next time, your girl TeeTee is out.